In this video, let me show you how to fix Binance login problem. So if you're having login issues within the Binance application, in this video, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can do is try to clear out the app cache. So simply tap and hold the app of Binance, head over to the eye icon. Within the settings page, head over to storage, and right here on the bottom you should be able to see the option called clear cache. So if you do tap on the clear cache or the clear data option, all of the corrupted files which might be causing the issue will be removed. And if this first step does not work for you, the second thing that you can also try out is try to look for new updates available. So simply head over to your Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and check for new updates available. Now even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it, what you can also try out is try turning off any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one. Also, you can try switching from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data as well. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the platform of Binance onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.